Hello, I'm Tom Varner and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we've come to give a short overview of Comfort Suites in Mount Vernon, Illinois. I figured, the neat hotels, the unusual hotels, they all get reviewed. There's all kinds of videos about them. But your average hotels, not so much. Clean stairwell, mostly. All right. Here we are. Turn some lights on here. Start in the bathroom this time. Nice big mirror. Soap, makeup remover, shampoo, body lotion, conditioner, towels. Not too bad quality. Down here, there's a closet area. I've already hung up my coat. Got the safe. There's my bag. Got a desk, nice lamp, plenty of plugins right there. K-cup, coffee maker. Looks like, oh no, it's not a K-cup. It's a little pouch thing. Okay, cool. Newspaper. Sofa. Nightstand. Kitty and Bible. King size bed. Another nightstand. Little long chair for a place to put your luggage. Microwave. TV. Mini fridge. And let's take a look at this. You don't have much of a view here though. Just off the interstate. That's about all you see. And a few other restaurants. And a hotel, another motel. Nice machine. And laundry room if you need to. $2. Alright, here's their pool area. Looks like it goes to 5 feet. Over here is the hot tub. Here's the fitness center, weight room. Barbells, heavier barbells. Treadmill, elliptical, bike, and a Stairmaster type machine, looks like. Oh no, that's elliptical. And a hand sanitizer. Now, for those of you who do have pets, they do charge extra to have a pet here, but they've got a pet area right here where you can walk your dog around. Just make sure you clean up after him. Right next to the good old trusty fire hydrant. Overall, not too shabby. It's not all that luxurious either, but it'll do. I've seen a lot worse, so not bad. Not bad at all. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land, where we come and give kind of a brief overview of Comfort Suites in Mount Vernon, Illinois. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you've disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, leave a comment in the comment section. Until next time, that's a wrap.